To make a delicious béarnaise, you need the basis called gastrique. Let me show you step by step how to make this. In the pot is a handful of tarragon. I am peeling here 4 small shallots, which will be sliced and added to the tarragon. Gastrique forms the basis of a good béarnaise sauce. So to make a béarnaise sauce, you need 1 tablespoon of gastrique, 1 egg yolk, and 50 grams of butter. You can also save this for very long time in your refrigerator or even outside your refrigerator. Remember, homemade is always the best. My aim here is to teach you how to cook delicious meal in the comfort of your own home using simple ingredients you can find around you. Then added 75 centiliter of white wine to the pot. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. For the balance of sharpness and taste, make sure the measurement is correct. The measurement is 75 centiliter of white wine to 25 centiliter of vinegar. I'm also adding some bay leaves, thyme, and black pepper to the gastrique. Feel free to add more tarragon if you want the taste to be more pronounced. The tarragon, white wine, and vinegar are brought to a gentle simmer over low heat and reduced by half. Check out the video on my channel. I show you exactly how to turn this gastrique into a classic béarnaise. Once the gastrique is ready, I strain it and set it aside until needed. Leave any question in the comments below. I answer them all. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. This also helps the algorithm to show this video to more people on YouTube. Thank you. My aim here is to inspire home chefs and fine dining lovers to cook in the comfort of their own home using simple ingredients you can find around you. See you in the next video.